Okay guys, today we're doing how to make a homemade cake pop. As you can see, I am rolling out my cake ball, and you want to measure out about 1.2 ounces to 1.5. I noticed 1.5 is a little bit too big. 1.2 is just the right amount to get a perfect size ball. As you see, I keep rolling it out. I use the palms of my hands to make in a circular motion and keep going round and round and round till you get all the creases out, any lumps, any bumps, and it's like a circular form. I put these in the freezer for about 10 minutes and added the popsicle stick. Now I'm going to use my tester to make sure that the chocolate has melted as it should efficiently and it's a nice form. You want to clean off the side of your cup so that you can use that to tap off any excess chocolate. You want to make sure you keep tapping, tapping, tapping and get all excess off. And then you can include some colorful sand, or you can include some beads or cookie crumbs. Here I'm using sand as well as a gold embellishment to put on my cake pops. And you can also do a drizzle with a different colored chocolate. This one I'm using white. You can use white. You can use the same color, whatever works for you. It is better if you wait until the cake pop dries and then do a drizzle, because it then shows a little bit more. But if you want it to give more of a marble effect, that does show using this technique. So you can have it stand up and you use a styrofoam to do so, or you can have it sit down. I prefer the sit down method. It just makes it a little bit easier, especially when you have clients and they have so much different types of ways to do their cakes. So as you see, it's very liquidy. The chocolate melts and you see how it just kind of falls off, and you want to keep tapping, 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 tapping. Tapping is key, guys, to getting a very essential cake pop. So there you have it, a homemade cake pop.